So here I will take another example of type number 2. In this circuit diagram, here 4 capacitance are there that are in a series or parallel. How will you check? Basically, you will check by considering the step number 1 and the step number 2 as previous I have said basically. So what is the step number 1? Firstly, you have to connect a virtual battery between A and B terminal. So you have to connect a virtual battery. Positive and negative terminals means here V potential and here is a zero potential. So according to that, V potential goes to A terminal across this, means here is also at this terminal potential is V here, and this V potential goes to here, and at this terminal, this point, V potential is there. Okay, and another, according to this negative sign, zero potential is there, zero potential goes, no hurdle will be there, so here also zero potential is there. So in a step number 2, you have to draw the diagram whether these capacitance are in a series or parallel. Okay, so this problem, this concept basically gives a more accurate result. Like that you can see between the V potential and zero potential, these 3 capacitances are in a series. So you have to make a 2 terminals, A terminal and B terminal. Between terminal V and 0 means A point having a V potential and at the B terminal having a 0 potential. So between this V and 0, 3 capacitance are there, that is in a series. Capacitance number 1, 2 and 3, that is in a series, means marking that C, C, C. Again, you have to check between 0 and V potential. Another potential is there between 0 and V potential. So it means 0 and V potential, another capacitance is there, that is in a parallel form. So this is your circuit diagram. So after drawing the circuit diagram, you can easily find out the equivalent value of capacitance. How will you find out? These 3 capacitances are in a series. So CE becomes, means equivalent capacitance becomes 1 by C plus 1 by C plus 1 by C. So this gives the value 3 by C and equivalent capacitance is C by 3. Now this C by 3 capacitance, this value C by 3 and this value having capacitance C. So this is in a parallel. So you have to draw a parallel capacitance. Now you can easily solve this value between terminal A and B. So these 2 values of capacitance, we have to find out equivalent capacitance that gives the, similarly in the same way you can add these 2 values. So this gives the C by 3 plus C. So value of this is C plus 3C. So final equivalent capacitance is 4C divided by 3. So finally answer you have to mark option number A, B and C. D is given in the NEET and JEE exam. Suppose this option arises for C by 3 at a D option. So you have to mark at a D point. Thank you.